Hello, pre-calculus honors students. I just finished the comments and read over all your survey results again and many interesting ideas. One thing I got out of it though is some of you want me to do more examples and you want more time in class to work on homework. Well, they both can't happen, but I do have a proposal for you that's outlined in these next few pages. Okay, the first step is to watch the video on Flange 360. I got the impression that some of you are kind of doing this optionally. No, this is not an option. This is the start of the notes, and you've got to start with this. It's only 10 to 20 minutes. Now, I am going to be adding some optional extended examples after the text, so that if you find that this isn't enough to start get you going on the homework, then there's a few more examples in the video. So those are optionals. But for the first part, and what I've done is I'm paralleling what's going on in the text itself. I take those examples in the main part of the text, and then there'll be one or two more examples from the homework section of the text that you have the option of watching. Now, some of you actually don't watch the videos, you take notes from the PDF file in Wikispace, and that's fine. But you might lose some of the dynamics of what I do on GeoGebra presentations. And this is especially critical as we take on some of the coordinate geometry proofs in this next coming chapter. Now, step 2, you come to class and you start one of these 3 things. I want you to get busy right away. You don't have to wait for me to come in and say, start doing something. There's something you can start doing. First, you might be one of the people that say, well, I got it. I'm going to start the homework in the back of the room and check out the lab because I want to work on an advanced project because I'm already done with the homework. Just make sure you check in with me before you head over to the lab. Second group might have a few questions, but they want to start the homework and maybe they'll jump into the discussion when they see a question that they had a concern about. And then there might be a third group that's just totally befuddled even after you watch the video and you want to work on some more examples. Well, I'm going to have you do that on your feet in a group right at the board. Step 3 is homework time. You should always have at least 20 minutes of homework time, if not more. Keep working or start the homework assignment. Or you can sign up for review problems at the Smartboard, like we always have been doing. You can also work on some from the problem-solving section, alone or in a group as seats from the Smartboard. Now, what is this problem-solving section? Well, these are some do's actually found in the calculus book. And I'm going to show you now where you can find these in the calculus website. It's the same website as the one you're using. You're on the pre-calculus honors site here. But you can go to the calculus website. And if you notice along in here, they've got several things where it says Calc 3 review or Calc 2 review. And this one, just open it up here real quick. Here it is. You don't want just the review exercises or even the chapter test. I'm talking about the problem-solving problems way back here. And you can print these up or cut and paste them into your thing. See, there's real doozers in here. Like this one that similar to what we just talked about. You know, the fencing along a river. Here's analyzing hyperbolas in many different shapes, ax plus b over cx plus d. So a lot of interesting stuff there. Now, don't feel like you're stealing from the calculus students because their notes are still going to be blank. We're going to post these into our notes if you want to take some of these on. Okay? So that leads us to Flange. I will wander around the room between these groups. Starting off with the Smartboard, get a group working on some more examples if they want to see that. Here's some groups working in groups on their homework. Here's some people going to the computer lab maybe to work on something else. Okay, I hope that helps. Where did Flange go? Happy Halloween!